We're at the beach. It's a beautiful day. Lots of people in the water because it's really hot. We're digging a big hole. Hey, Belle. Try not to throw too much sand everywhere. Let's zoom up and see if I can. Today's Friday, June 21st. My second beach day. It's beautiful. It's Ocean City, New Jersey. Jersey Shore. It's gorgeous. Beautiful clear day. People are parasailing. Back to these two crazy kids. Uh-oh. Here he comes.
You. You and you.
Don't get too close to those sandy fingers, boy.
You. Right there. You. Person in the middle.
Whoa, you just got all over me.
Hi. You guys have awesome shoes.
You're a goofball. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. Water's beautiful today. We got Jumpy McJumperton here. Drew is loving it. You can go out with your brother. Ask him to get, well, not too far actually. Just give him a second. He'll come in a minute, okay, Bubby? Jump the waves, Belle. Drew is all about it today, isn't he? Beautiful. In the waves. Remember doing this as a kid. Well, don't splash me. I got the camera, honey. There he comes. Oh, he's down. Go ahead, Belle. You can walk to him. You take her out a little bit. Drew, go this way though, near the green flags, please. And of course she comes running back. She wants to go. Is the water chasing you? He's coming. There he is, that handsome boy. Sign off before this thing gets wet. Go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, O, P,
L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, Q, V,
T, U, V,
W, X, Y, and Z.
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 How I know my ABCs. Next time
show's over?
Show's over.
Say I love you, bye. All right.
Bye.
All right, so we're doing a wait. First, we're doing the before. We just cut his hair. Before, as you can see, turn around, it's all blonde. We're gonna do something cool today. What are we doing?
We're gonna dye my hair blue.
And
I'm gonna
perfect
see
thing
about
ever for
there.
him.
Or between these two, so it's gonna be really bright.
Yeah.
And
Alright.
it's gonna be a surprise for some people.
You sit
Because I'm
down
going
with
to
you.
my aunt's tomorrow, and I'm hoping they'll be surprised. And hopefully you don't put any pictures on them.
I don't know. We'll see.
Never know.
We're gonna see. This is the before, my handsome boy. What do you think?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm excited to see him. Good like that.
Let's get this
I
thing
like-
started.
All right.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
All right, here we go. Signing off for now. All right, so it's on. Let's check this out. We're gonna see how this turns out. This all new to us. Just the top. He's gotta wait a little bit of time. You're handsome.
Having a 30-minute snack. Waiting for the 30-minute mark to go off.
30-minute snack. All right. Next will be the finished product. Yes.
Hi.
All right, here it is. Outside. Blue.
Yep.
He looks cute.
Mom did horrible. I'm joking.
I had to scrub the tub.
It was blue like we killed a Smurf. Look at Mom's hands.
I think my hands look better.
Sort of do.
Blue hands.
Yeah, Mom's making me want to do a shower, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't need a shower. I'm fine. I don't care for my pillow anyway. Who cares if my pillow gets stained? Really? Who does that at home? Do you?
Check it out. Looks really cute, Drew. Chris, it's my first time doing blue.
Chris.
I said, of course, it's my first time doing blue. I've dyed hair many times, but blue is new to me. See, a little here. Like, I feel like I need some more here. Do. But you look handsome. So we'll have to tell in the comments what you think. If you like it.
Or if you don't. If you don't,
It's semi-permanent.
do it
Washes
yourself.
Out. Do it yourself. You're goofball. Alrighty. Say peace out.
Bye.
Bye.